Started? And your hashtag is hashtag education.
Thank you so much. Actually, this topic is very close to my heart as I took up a course of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science, and I am now in my last year in college, and I have learned and appreciated the true values of education. That it is not just a process of learning, it is a foundation of wisdom and character. Its greatest values lies in its power to transform lives, to open minds, and to inspire change. Education teaches us not only to succeed in life, but also to serve, to use what we have learned for the good of the others, and for the welfare of our future generation. That would be all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, candidate number one. Number one but all. Thank you so much. So while our candidates here are delivering their answers, ang iham nyo ang mga katauhan, nag-iisip sa tamang sabawan, nag-deliver tatahagan para makafocus sila sa pag-answer sa ilang hashtag.
And now, candidate number 2, please step forward.
Hello, candidate number 2. Are you nervous or? Oh, it's okay. Breathe out. Breathe out. Are you ready now? So you have to pick your question and your hashtag. So may I remind everyone, hindi mo sa magsaba while nag-answer ang mga candidates para makafocus sila. So your hashtag is hashtag corruption.
Hashtag corruption. Corruption is an exploitation that continues to our nation. We can see and observe how people in the high positions think. As a youth, we must choose honesty over convenience, integrity over influence, and unity over freedom. True process begins when we decide to be the generation of peace. Hindi natin kailangang maging boses lang. We can be the change itself. Corruption may darken our skies, but let honesty be our heartbeat. When we lead with truth and courage, and together, corruption will fade, that will rise and braver for us to be unbroken. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. So let's not just be a voice, let's be a change ourselves. Diba? Lihok, itabangan tayo, Lord. Diba? Ayan, so let's welcome now candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3. I think candidate number 3 is excited. They want to just sabol. So, how are you feeling tonight, candidate number 3?
I'm happy and nervous.
Okay, so leadership.
Leadership is not about a power. It's about integrity and
service. In our country, corruption is remained as a challenge that weakens trust people in the government. That's why we need to learn. That's why we need to lead. That's why we need
May pagtagalugo na lang na niya. Hindi magtagalog.
That's why we need to find a good government that who choose what is right and what is good. Because leadership is not because leadership is not because leadership is good.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Ayan, so may I remind you once again guys na di na ta magsabawan. Our candidates are still articulating and delivering their answers here on stage kay grabe yun kakulpa diri, promise. Sulay na lang. Sulay mo, next year, Rai Santorino. Oh, lahi na po na candidates para maka-experience sila itong mga kababaihan diri sa Santorino o in Anisan. Ayan.
And now let us welcome candidate number 4.
Target wing. Target wing.
Number 4.
So good evening, candidate number 4. So same question goes to you. How are you feeling tonight?
Be a mix of emotions. I am very, very first thankful to our Almighty God for allowing me with this kind of opportunity, to my families, to my sponsors, especially the Purok that I am representing right now, and to everyone who is supporting not just me but as well my fellow sisters right now. So it's really kind of nerve-wracking but happy at the same time because I get to share not just my talents but as well the creations of those people behind our back in order for us to shine on stage. So let's not forget to also give importance not just to the candidate but to the makeup artist, the team behind the scenes. Dili pa to answer.
So very pasabog si candidate number 4. Dili pa to siya ang answer, ha? Okay, so candidate number 4, please pick a paper and the bowl. And your word is hashtag women empowerment.
Hashtag women empowerment to me is not just a hashtag itself, but it is a movement of celebration, a call to remind each and every one of us about the strength, the resilience, the intelligence, and the grace of every woman who beholds in herself. It is a power of choice, leadership, and inspiring others. It is only when a woman learns to believe in herself, realizes that her voice matters and that her dreams are valid and her potentials have no limit, that empowerment begins. Empowerment is giving us women a safe space to be able to lead, to decide, and to stand tall in a world where sometimes we are told to stay small. Empowerment is never for us to compare men to women, but rather for us to be able to walk side by side, build a world where both can thrive with respect and equality. I myself stand here in front of you as a reflection of that empowerment. A woman who dared to dream, to use her voice, and to be able to represent others who also believes that they too can make a difference. So when I hear hashtag women empowerment, I think of unity, courage, and purpose. Because at the heart of empowerment lies a simple truth that when you empower a woman, you empower a generation. So to all the women, to everyone in this room, please remember to keep standing tall, to keep speaking up for what is right, and to keep lifting each other up. Because when one woman rises, we all rise. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4, for that empowering answer. I can truly say that I am very inspired kids.
Yes, me too, Rochelle. Grabe ka. Very bulak. Liwat sa SK. Very bulak. Ayan, so let's welcome candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. You're very beautiful. Are you ready for your hashtag?
Muli na mi ngayon, naban ni
Bunot na?
Pinalang ko. Pinanamusin ko. Mag-asa pa siya na
Let me do that
Bye-bye.
for you.
Nako.
Your hashtag is hashtag mental health.
Mental health is all about our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Mental health is more important than any other health issues. Our minds plays a crucial role inside our body. It is the starting point of every action and movements we make. Our minds either gives us positive or negative perception in life. If we constantly think that I'm not beautiful, I'm not smart, I can't do it, I'm not good enough, I won't get there, and I don't deserve that thing, then that's what you will attract. That's the narrative you are feeding your mind, that you are the type of person who isn't worthy of anything. But we can switch that. If we constantly think that I am beautiful, I am smart, I can do anything and everything, I am more than enough, and I am deserving of all the things that my heart desires, then that's what you will attract. Your minds start to command, to act as if you are living the highest version of yourselves. Look at your reality, guys. Your state of mind reflects in your reality. This is one of the things that we can control. We cannot control how other people perceive us, but we can control how we respond to it. So focus on what you can control. Fix your mind. Because if the mind is not right, you will suffer, not just emotionally, but also physically and spiritually. This is me, Kimberly Ann Ayok, reminding you that mental health always matters. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Ana siya, we will because we can. May Carlo Basco. O sige, kita sabi, we will because we can.
We will take a
You can do it. Ito mo lang ko. Thank you. And now let's welcome candidate number 6. Hello, candidate number 6. Are you feeling nervous right now or what's ang gibati ka ron?
Nakulbaan yun ko, but if God really gave me this time, so let it be.
Ayan, di ba? Pareho ha, Joy. So, are you ready to pick your hashtag and to answer? So, kindly pick one. So, reminding everyone know nga dili na sa tarong sama while nag-answer ang ato ang candidates here on stage. So candidate number 6, your hashtag is hashtag illegal drugs.
I think we all know that illegal drugs, it is a substances that can harm not only your body, but also your mind and future. Many young people try them out because of curiosity, peer pressure, and problems at home, and even school. But what may seem to them fun or cool can lead to addiction, poor mental health, broken dreams, and even death. Illegal drugs does not destroy only the user, but also their families and communities. They take away the potential of the youth. As Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. That's why it is important for us to choose awareness over ignorance, discipline over temptation, and a bright future over temporary pleasure. Saying no to illegal drugs means saying yes to a better life, a better dreams, and a better future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now let's welcome on center stage candidate number 7. Hello, candidate number 7. Are you ready for your hashtag?
No choice. Yeah.
Before you pick your hashtag, it's something mo ngayon sa top audience, ang natin mo karon or ng family or friends. Gusto mo i-greet?
Hi to my supporters out there. Hi. Alam mo, stay calm.
Ayan, so are you now ready? So kindly pick one. And your hashtag is hashtag youth.
Hashtag youth. The youth are not just the promise of tomorrow. We are the strength of today. In a world full of challenges like floods, the floods and the change. When we embody, I will be empowered. When we empower youth, are not just we build a future. The future holds Bionet. No matter how heavy the storms it comes, we will use our voice as a youth, and we will use our courage, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7.
Please step forward, candidate number 8. Good evening, candidate number 8. So, how are you feeling right now, candidate number 8? Okay, but I want you to just relax and you have to deal with it na lang yun. So, please pick a paper or hashtag in the board. And your hashtag is hashtag social. Hashtag social.
Social media, it is a one of the four. It is one of the most powerful platform in our generation. It's connected people from all over our It's connected people from over all world. Allowing us to share our voice, our stories, and our dreams. However, with a great power comes with a great responsibility. It is not just a platform. It is for our self-expression, but also for our compassion, awareness, and positive change. I believe when we use wisely, social media can unite us, inspire us, and remind us that even in our digital world, kindness, authenticity, never out of time, not all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. May I remind the audience to please be silent as our candidate is formulating their answer. Thank you. Candidate number 9, please step forward. Good evening, candidate number 9. So same question goes for you. Ang sa imo ang ginabati karon, candidate number 9.
I feel nervous but thankful for those who gave me chance.
That's good to hear, candidate number 9. Good luck. So please choose a paper and the bowl. And your hashtag is hashtag gender equality.
Gender equality is not only for men and women, but for those people who cannot express themselves freely. Everyone deserves respect and acceptance regardless of gender identity. I am standing here in front of you all, promoting a safe space where people can express themselves freely without fear of judgment. Showing respect, kindness, and empowerment doesn't make you less a person. And to everyone who cannot express themselves, tindog ug barog daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our question and answer portion that will determine who will move into our top 5. Our candidates have shown brilliance not only in beauty,